Welcome back, guys. We have this interesting Olympiad question to solve. It says 1000 factorial minus 999 factorial over 998 factorial. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Now, if I have a factorial is equal to a times a minus 1 times a minus 2 times a minus 3 factorial. Hence, I'll do this for each and every number here, but then I want to express every number to end with 998 factorial. Let me show you what I mean. 1000 now can be written as 1000 times 999 times 998 factorial. Okay? So this is 1000 factorial. Now 999 factorial can be expressed as 999 times 998 factorial. Now, from here, we can see we have something in common. We have 998 here and 998 here. Okay? So if you are writing this in this question that we have to solve, you're going to have this to be equal to 1000 is now 1000 times 999 times 998 factorial. Okay? I can go ahead and factor out 998. Let me factorize 998 factorial. So I'd have 1000 times 999 minus 999. What I'm just doing here is simply factoring out 998 factorial from these two. So this is still going to be dividing 998 factorial. Now, looking at this place now, we'll have a simpler equation to solve. So I can go ahead and strike this and then strike this, so that I'm left with 1000 times 999 minus 999. I can have 999 common, so I have this to be equal to 999 into 1000 minus 1. And this is 999 times 999, which is equal to, when I multiply a times a, I have a squared. So 999 times 999 will be 999 squared. And this becomes the answer to this problem.